Hello guys, today we are going to learn about uh, loops. Suppose you need to print a string of, let's say, Java is sweet like 100 times. By using if statement, it's gonna be a hard job and will take a lot of time. So Java provides a powerful construct called a loop that controls how many times an operation or a sequence of operation is performed in succession. Using a loop statement, you simply tell the computer to print string 100 times without having to call the print statement 100 times. So here I have the project called Java Solve Questions, and I have the package called exam package. We are going uh, to do some exercise after learning about while loop. So I'm going to right click and create another package, and this package is called loops, and finish. And in our loops, let's create a class, and this class called test. Test, and let's create the public main method by checking this box here, and then finish. And then let's uh, create a while loop example. So we started with integer int, then let's use count or number. You can use whatever you want, count, and I will initialize count to 0, and then type the keyword while. Then inside you can pass count less, can be less than 1000. Then we put the braces here, and inside the while loop, let's print, maybe let's say sysout, and we pass this string here, Java is sweet. Alright, and then we need to control this loop, so we pass count, we increment by uh, we increment by 1, so plus equal to 1. So if we save and run this program, we get Java is sweet 1000 times. So you either can use count plus equal to 1, or you can just type plus plus. It does the same, exact the same thing. So when you save again and you run the program as a Java application, so on console here you see 1000 times. So I could even check this to more, 10 times, save, and you run again, so we have 10 times. So the variable count is initialized to 0. The loop checks whether the count is less than 100, whether this count less than 10 is true, and if so, it executes the loop body, which this loop body here, to print the message Java is sweet, and increment count by 1. You could put 2 or 3, whatever. It repeatedly execute the loop body until the count becomes false. When the count is less than 10 is false. That is when count reaches 10. uh, the loop terminate and the take next statement after the loop statement is executed. Loop are concepts that control repeat executions of a block of statement. The concept of loop is fundamental to Java programming, and Java provides three types of loop statement. So we have loop, while loops, and we have do while loops and for loops. The next tutorial we're going to talk about uh, do while and for loops. Thank you guys and subscribe. Bye bye. To make sure you understand, let's do one more program. So we start with int number. Let's say for example number. They will initialize the number by 0, and then we type the keyword while, and we we pass uh, we may also assign, um, let's say s x is equal to 1. So um, this is equivalent to this. So we have two variable integer type by using int. So we have int number, int x. So I pass while x is less than 20, then we take let's put the braces, then inside our braces here we add number is equal to number plus x, see, and we take x, we increment by 1, or this time let's increment by 2. So do this way, but if you increment by 2, then you have to put the equal to plus 2. So if we save and run the program, and actually we need to print print out sysout, then we pass the string of sum of the numbers is, then we concatenate by number, and we save and right click, run as a Java application. Let's see what's went wrong here. So yeah, the problem is that I mistakenly write equal to plus. It should be equal plus equal, and then we save again and right click and run the program. Then you get the sum of the numbers is 100. But if we, in case we put plus plus, remove the 2 here and save again, we get a different output. We get 190. So thank you guys, and I hope this was helpful. And yeah, one more thing, if in case if we don't put this, what is going to happen? If you save and run, then it's going to loop infinite. So that's what we call it's infinite, because x is always 1, and x is less than 10 will be always true. And this is why it will always be infinity. For example, here our program is running, so I terminate and put back x plus plus, then you save and you run again, then you get the result here. Thank you guys, and remember to make sure that the loop continuation condition, this one condition, eventually becomes false, so that the program will terminate. And that this is a very common programming error that involve infinite loop, that is, the program cannot terminate because of the mistake in a loop continuation condition here. Thank you guys, and see you next tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye bye.